Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add an image carousel in wpbakery WordPress website. Let me log in into my temp website, and after that let me install plugin and select file from my laptop. Let me select that file. Here you can see I have 7.5 variant, and make sure that plugin file is in zip format, otherwise you can get error for the plugin installation. And if you want to get this plugin, just you can go on wpbakery.com. Here you can see they have millions of users and you can get the package. If you want to get for a single site, you can get regular package. And here you can see these are for the 5 and 10 websites. Okay guys, plugin is installed. Let me activate that plugin, and after that let's go back to the pages and let's edit one of the page. Here you can see it has backend editor as well as front-end editor. Okay guys, let me add a new row. Then here I want to add image carousel. Here you can see. Now you can add any of the title that you want. For example, this is image carousel, and also we can change it featured images, whatever. Then select some images. Simply you can upload images from your laptop as like this. Just go here, YouTube files, then you can easily select Ctrl A, then you can upload. But I already uploaded. Let me select some images. Then here you can see image size. So these are various sizes that you can use. Let me add here medium. Then here you can see on click action. You can add any page link here. If you want to link your images, simply just you can copy any page. For example, I can copy and add here. When someone click on image, that it will be redirected to this link. So let's keep none. And after that, slider orientation, horizontal or vertical. So whatever direction you want to use. Then here you can set the slider speed. For example, I want to keep it 3000. Then here you can select slides per view. Let me add 3. So I think 3 slides are best. Then slider autoplay, yes, so it will start autoplaying. Then hide pagination control. So this is for the slider dots. Yes, I want to hide that. Then hide preview next buttons. So these are some arrows. Let me show you how it works. Now scroll down, slider loop, yes, enable that. And here you can also use some animation. Okay, let's save changes and preview how it looks. Scroll down, and here you can see how it works. Now let's go back and let's change images to the full size. And let's see how it works. So alright, it's working fine. And we have checked with various image sizes. So this is up to you, whatever size that you want to adjust. After that you can easily update. That's all. In this way you can easily add image carousel in your wpbakery WordPress website.